I'm on the way home and I wanted to make this video. Been very, very, very busy in the office. The whole staff, very busy. Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com. I wanted to let you know about a conversation that I had with an individual who is getting sued by a debt collector. Now, we've all heard about proof of service. You probably hear YouTube videos. You got to get served this and that about service. If they don't serve you, they can't bring the lawsuit. Well, I'm here to tell you that in some states, they do allow you to be able to get sued if you are not serviced. All they have to do is show proof of service. But I want to talk to you about an interesting thing that happened with a potential client. Hopefully they decide to allow us to help them with their case. Is that they said that the debt collector had someone taking pictures of them. So what they're going to use, I believe, I'm going to do some research on this, but what I believe they're going to do is that they're going to use that information of that image of the individual, the car license plate, to show that that is most likely the individual that's in that car, as proof of attempted service. I don't know if it's going to work or not. I hope the client doesn't try to just not do anything about their lawsuit because of that. In their state, they do require proof of service, but there could be potential exemptions if an individual is trying not to get serviced. And they may have it to where they have to attempt to serve maybe one time or two times or three times or four times. We don't know. But if you find yourself getting sued, number one, you got to respond to the debt collector lawsuit or original creditor lawsuit. You got to respond to that summons. So you don't want to not do that. Number two, if you have not been served, but you know that you got a lawsuit, you need to look at your court website to make sure that the court is not allowing that debt collector or original creditor to proceed with the lawsuit. I've seen people where they were like, I never did get served, and then all of a sudden they got a default judgment. That's because they did the attempted service. Also, I want to make you aware of the state of Minnesota. Minnesota has a very tricky system for allowing debt collectors and original creditors to sue individuals. In the state of Minnesota, all they have to do is create the summons and send it to you. And what most people will do is they'll go like, hey, I'm going to go to the courthouse and see if I'm really being served, the courthouse website, and see if I'm really getting served. And they look on there and it says that it hasn't been filed. Well, in the state of Minnesota, they can actually start the process of suing you without filing the case. So yes, you have to still respond to that debt collection attorney or the original creditor attorney, whoever. Yes, you do. So this is a lesson that we had to learn with one of our clients. We were like, they never did, you don't even have a case number on here. And it was like, but it's showing that, I got the summons. And I'm like, well, go ahead and get it ready just in case they file it. And they tried to file, when they filed their case to get a court number, the debt collection attorney tried to say that they did not have a response. So they moved immediately to get a summary judgment. And I'm glad that he was with us, because what we did is we immediately told him to upload the response, and then he had to also, this was the hard lesson part, is because they did do the motion for summary judgment, he had to also have a motion to deny summary judgment from being approved. So I wanted to let you know on that. Now, if you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch video, what makes us different. So you can see my 8-point validation process, my 2-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website, yourorder3scores.com. Grab your TransUnion, Equifax, Experian credit reports and all 3 scores. If you have debt collectors coming after you, go to my summonsmaster.com website. You can upload your debt collection letter in there, and it will create an exclusive certified debt validation letter that you can mail to your debt collector who is trying to collect from you for a debt that they purchased, and it will stop them. If you have a summons, you can go to summonsmaster.com, upload a PDF copy of your complete summons. It will create a fully formatted summons response to all allegations and a defense to help you win your case. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel. This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of the creditrepairshop.com and creator of summonsmaster.com.